Over the years, we've made all sorts of chili. Everything from chunky Texas style, which of course doesn't have any beans, to a blonde chicken version that's light and bright. And today, we're cooking up a big pot of chili that combines lean ground beef and some flavor-packed Italian sausage. And the results are nothing short of lip-smacking delicious. The first thing we do is brown some lean ground beef, along with a good amount of Italian-style sausage that we remove from the casing. After that cooks for a few minutes, we toss in some chopped onion and garlic and let that cook for a bit. At this point, we add a couple cans of kidney beans, crushed tomatoes, a small can of tomato sauce, and a bunch of spices. After this simmers for half an hour or so, it's ready to serve. Talk about a dish that'll warm you up from the inside out. Maybe top each bowl with some shredded cheddar cheese or a dollop of sour cream. Or hey, why not both? To get your hands on this flavor-packed chili recipe, simply visit our website and look for what we call Italian-style chili pot. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we have a chili-licious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.